Hi friends, welcome to my channel Crochet Best. I hope you all my friends well. I'm also well. Today I will show you a very interesting video and very beautiful video. I will show you beautiful fish tanks models. This models is very beautiful. You can decorate your home and your kids' rooms. This fish tanks is made of wool. I will share you beautiful designs and beautiful things, and also has many colorful. I tried to my best. I will show you beautiful ideas. All my friends can benefit from this video of me. All those friends who are interested in Croatian work can choose designs, ideas by watching this video and watching my channel. This video helped them a lot, and my friends who are doing Croatian business can also benefit from it. I am trying to share good videos for all my friends. For this, I need your help and support. If you like the video, please give me opinion. Let me know and like my videos, share and subscribe my channel. Bye. Take care.